my room is, well, yeah, it's not good. So I'm currently on spring break right now, and I have decided that I'm going to clean my room and I'm going to move the furniture in my room. Okay, so first I'm going to attempt to try and clean like this area. This is all stuff from my desk because I'm getting rid of my desk soon, but I kind of want to go through it. So my goal right now is to do clothes and organize them in there and in there. Hey guys, so it's the next day and I have made great progress. I organized everything in this box. I moved everything to this side of my room, and I'm gonna get my desk out and then get rid of my rug. We have the table legs for my desk, so we might be able to get my room done today. Hopefully. I want to decorate. Okay, so I've gotten my desk out and I rolled up my rug. So now underneath my bed is just like empty, and it's so weird to see it like that. So I'm now gonna vacuum and then mop the floor. So my floor is clean. I just mopped it, my fan is on, and I think it's time for me to move my room. So this is how my room is doing right now. I put my desk together with the help of my father. That's the box because I'm gonna put my Alex drawers there. This is my dresser area, my ottoman. I'm gonna clean that, don't worry. I just spent like 10 minutes of my life making that like perfectly straight, and I'm like so happy because once I get my lights up around it, it'll look super cool.
Several months later.
Who can it be knocking at my door?
Okay, so my room is pretty much as organized and clean as it's gonna get for now. So here is my lovely room. So here's my fantabulous door. It says property of the Phantom on my, this is my sheet music bag. Of course there's a mask because why would there not be? So here's my magical bookcase, which is to the left of the door, with art supplies, perfumes, and obviously books because reading is like the greatest thing ever. If we keep moving left, we have my mirror. Underneath my mirror, we have my garbage can. And yes, that is a party size bag of Cheetos that I literally ate in the middle of the night last night. So if you keep going, you have my fabulous bed. I love this bedding, look at it. It's so pretty and pristine and I love it. My pillows kind of don't match, but that's fine because nothing in my life matches. My 3 water bottles because I don't want to have to keep getting up to get more water in the middle of the night. Above my bed it says Anathea in the Phantom text, and And then I put Christmas lights around using command strips. And above my bed I have some prints. I went for pinks and blues because that's the main colors of my room. So I have a flower, sweetheart, a record player, phantom poster. That's so pretty. It's like, I don't know how to explain that except for aesthetic. And then Ravenclaw. So next to my bed I have an end table with an actual phone. It does work, but I don't use it, which is great. And I have my 3 Phantom playbills from when I saw Phantom. I will link the vlog down below. This is from Walmart. It was like $3 or $4, and this was from when I was in Little Mermaid. It was one of our prop things. And then behind my curtain a little, it says my name in like all these Broadway logo text things. You have my window. It says this is customized, obviously, because how many people's names is Anathea? I have fidget spinners and an address book, even though I have a phone, and my vent's also down there. Partially the reason I wanted to move my bed over here was literally so I could be closer to the heat, because I'm cold all the time. If you keep going, this is where I put my iPad charger, and I have a little ottoman here. This ottoman is from Hobby Lobby, and that's my school iPad. I also have this organizer here, which is honestly extremely convenient. I do not use this, but I feel like it kind of looks cool. So if you keep going, here is my laundry basket where I put all my dirty clothes, and then we have my fabulous closet. Originally, this closet did have wooden doors on it, but the thing is, they kept falling out, and I would literally just be laying on my bed, and then they'd fall on me, and then I would be trapped because they're heavy. So we just took it out, put up a tension rod, and this is actually a shower curtain, but it's blue, so that's fine. I also hung some fake flowers, so it could be a little more decorative. Here's the inside of my closet. So there is a random shelf right here. So these are all my jackets and blazers and stuff. These are all my t-shirts, and then those are like fancy clothes and dresses. All my shoes, random stuff, and then all my children's toys are up there. And down here I have a banker box full of papers, banker box full of holiday decor, and then my backpack, roller skates, basket full of stuff. My 2 ukuleles are back there, and a cape from when I was the Phantom for Halloween, and I usually hang my purses right here on this little A-hook. If we keep on moving, we have my dresser. So here's all my jewelry. I have fake roses. This is my iPod. My old iPod that doesn't scroll anymore, so it's kind of useless, so it's just a prop basically. Then above my dresser I have the most beautiful thing ever. It's my Bay, my beautiful Phantom. Now my cousin actually painted this herself, and I love it so much. If you're watching this, my beautiful cousin, hi, thank you so much, I love it. Oh my god, he stares at me when I sleep, and that's quite ideal for me. And I love him, and he's so pretty, and I feel so safe around this picture. I feel safe around a picture. It's true, I do. I'm weird like that. So here's my Alex drawer system. As you probably have seen it literally everywhere. It's from IKEA. It was like $159 or something like that. And I love it so much. So this is a pink light. So when I turn it on, we have a pink bulb in it. So I can like have pink. This is a beautiful tumbler. I just got it. I have not used it yet, but when I do, I'm gonna be so happy because, ooh, you know who that is. A microphone. This microphone does actually work, but like, since my karaoke machine's not in here, it's kind of just a prop. I have so many Crayola stuff, and I also have my zebra mild liners that I got for Christmas, and I love them very much. So this is just art supplies, and as you can probably imagine, literally art supplies. Look at all my glues. Art supplies.
Art supplies. Art supplies. They are organized, actually. It may look like they're not, but they really are. Songwriting notebooks. Random art supplies, and even more random art supplies.
So next, we move over to my desk. So I finally have a chair. This is from Office Depot, and it's very fun and very comfortable, and I like working at my desk because of it, and I'm not on a drumming throne anymore. So my desk is also my makeup station. So on the left, I have this mirror, and I love it so much because then I can see my ugly face a little bit better. This is all my makeup stuff. See, it doesn't take up that much space, which I'm very, very happy about, which is perfect. So here is just a light that also can charge things, and I have like some flash drives in there, my speaker, tissues, bullet journal, cut out of my Phantom of the Opera, but there's a T missing, so it's He Phantom of the Opera. Well, that kind of makes sense. He Phantom. My Phantom of the Opera pen. Some hair clips and ties. Look at all these. I am dying. Look how aesthetic it is, guys. Are you? Oh boy, I love this. I love this. Because they're all it's so pretty, guys. And then of course, this is all the pencils I have. What's more important to me? Colorful pens or pencils? I feel like there is an obvious answer. So if this shelf was built by my dad, he got stuff from Menards. He got it on my desk. And here's makeup sponges because I apply my makeup with sponges. So I use one side one day and then another side another day. So I have a bunch of those, and it's the most effective way, I feel, for me to put on my makeup. This is a cell phone holder, a Bluetooth keyboard, pencils, and my magical eraser that literally fixes everything. Now for the favorite part of my room. As you probably have noticed in some of my videos, so I put all these playbills all around my room. Now it started with just like things that I saw, but then of course that was not enough for me. So I decided to print out literally so many Broadway shows. Those are all ones that I've seen right there. But so many Broadway shows are just all around my room. So I am one with the Broadway. Oh yes, that is the Phantom, and that is Brendan Uranowitz. Because he is a king, and he needs to be recognized on my wall. This is my room! Isn't it great? I love it so much. And yes, I do have a bunch of wigs up there for when I'm pretending that I'm other people who have more interesting lives than I do. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed my room transformation / room tour, and I'll see you later. Bye! Subscribe if you want to, but if you don't, that's totally fine as well.